Alright, today I'm going to show you how to view recorded footage on your Alibi Vigilant CMS software. Now this assumes that you've already gone through, you've set up a cloud account, you have an initialized DVR, you've already had the recording, and a DVR has been shared or added to your CMS client. I will not be going over that in this video, but I do have another video on the channel about that. So we're going to go ahead and open up our CMS software, and here I have the control panel. This is where it should open from the main menu. If you've used it before, it's up on, if you go to menu, you can go to control panel. So for these purposes, I'm going to click on playback, and I'm going to show you how we got to this point in a minute. So on the left hand side here, you're going to see any DVRs you have added to your system. For example, for this example, I only have one of them set up. So we're going to go ahead and explode the menu here. And you can see you have your 4 cameras, living room, dining room, front, and garage. For this example, we'll click on the garage, and I want to see what happened at 10 a.m. on the 21st. So we'll click on the check mark, and you can see that the bricks over here have now turned red. These are all the days that have been recorded. If it's not lit up, it has not recorded that day. So we're going to go ahead and click on the 21st and click search. Now, if I simply wanted to go through and just monitor what happened throughout the time in this day, I'll just go ahead and click around. So it'll just automatically refresh as you click a date, a time. You can see when they got there. So once I found some footage, say something happened at 9 o'clock, I will pause it, and then I'll go over here to the little download button. You can download it by file, but generally I ignore it and I go to by time. So you can set what time of that day you want to record from. So say I want to record from 9 a.m. to, we'll go to midnight. I would just click download, and it will download the footage between the times that I've set. Now, it by default saves it in its own program files folder, and sometimes that's hard to find. So to make it simple on you, you can change where the file is downloaded to. So if I click on device management, or not device management, I'm sorry, control panel, and we go to client configuration, if you click right here on recording, you can change the file path that it gets downloaded to. You can change it to your videos folder. You can change it to, if you have an external hard drive plugged in, you can change it to that. You don't really have to mess with local recording, but I generally keep it the same folder. That way, if you have any DVRs locally, you can download it, but generally you don't have to mess with that. So yeah, that is how you view recorded footage on the Alibi Vigilant CMS app.